Axel the Truck, Rocky Road by J.D. Riley. Axel is a red truck. Axel has big, big wheels. I like to go fast, Axel says. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Zip, zip, zoom. Bumpy roads are best, Axel says. Bang, bang, bump. Axel rolls down the road. He rolls past the town. Axel's big tires spin around. Zip, zip, zoom. I like to climb, Axel says. Up the mountain, Axel goes. Zig, zag, zig, zag. Axel races a mountain goat. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Go, go, go. Axel speeds around a bend. Axel jets off a steep hill. He flies over the trail. Yahoo! Axel says. Axel blasts his horn. Beep, beep, beep. Down the mountain, Axel goes. Axel catches a falling rock. Thump, thump, whomp. Axel carries a rocky load. He carts it to the dump. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Bump, bump, clunk. Beep, beep, beep. Time for a pit stop. Axel's big tires spin around. Axel races back to town. Vroom, vroom. Zip, zip, zoom. That was monster fun. The end. Hope you enjoyed this story. Axel the Truck, Rocky Road.